Cloud migrations are more important than ever, yet more than half of all migrations fail. Why? Mostly from a lack of planning and best practices. What organizations need to ensure successful cloud migrations is a way to automate both. The Matter Cloud Automation Platform is that solution. Designed by Candid through extensive experience guiding clients to successful cloud migrations, Matter acts like your cloud migration navigator. It starts by capturing all relevant data, then facilitates planning, and finally actively helps facilitate the migration process. Here's how. At a high level, Matter centralizes and organizes your migration through three key pillars: planning, provisioning, compliance. First, Matter automates the planning process. Matter helps to catalog, justify, prioritize, and sequence workload migration candidates, keeping in mind their complexities and interdependencies. This allows organizations to rigorously plan migrations, providing deep financial analysis. Matter does this through a combination of imported data from tools and systems, human discovery, and holistic analysis. Matter first builds an inventory of existing applications and servers. Then, Matter prioritizes applications based on their unique complexities and business value. Next comes provisioning. Matter empowers DevOps agility by setting up and deploying your cloud infrastructure as code. Matter relies on migration information generated within Matter planning to accomplish this. Matter specifies all aspects of an organization's foundational structure, including networks, applications, servers, logging, monitoring, and security. By identifying all relationships, Matter is able to automate and standardize the creation of your infrastructure, acting as your virtual DevOps engineer. Finally, Matter automates security processes crucial to regulatory compliance mandates. Matter uses a continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline as a security control to automatically check during the development process for compliance of infrastructure, configuration, and software to predefined security and regulatory compliance libraries. Matter continuously audits cloud accounts with the same set of compliance rules after applications are deployed as well. This rigorous approach to compliance before and after deployments accelerates deployment and prevents rogue out-of-process changes so that you can, for the first time, exceed compliance requirements. In summary, the Matter Cloud Automation Platform is a faster way to deploy to the cloud with reduced risk and cost. Moving to the cloud doesn't need to be difficult. Proper planning and automation will drive successful migrations. Matter can help.